Hello student, in last lecture we have started the electrochemistry. Today I am going to start a new point of this chapter, that is electrolysis of molten or fused NaCl. Okay. Now first of all construction of electrolysis of a molten or fused NaCl. Okay. Now it consists of, first point, it consists of a container that contain fused or molten NaCl. It consists of a container that contain fused or molten NaCl. Second point, the two graphite electrode, which is also called as carbon electrode, which is deep into the fused or molten NaCl. Okay. Now third, these two electrode is connected to external current source through the wire. Okay. Now this is the construction of electrolysis of molten or fused NaCl. Okay. Now first point of a construction, that is it consists of a container that contain fused or molten NaCl. Okay. Now two graphite electrode, which is also called as a carbon electrode, is deep into the fused or molten NaCl. These two electrode is connected to external current source through the wire. Okay. Now second, working. The next point is the working. Okay. Now when the current is a flow, the Na plus ion, sodium plus ion, is migrated toward the cathode, and Cl minus ion, which is present in a fused or molten NaCl, this Cl minus ion attracted toward the anode. Okay. Now oxidation, half reaction at a anode. First, oxidation half reaction at anode. When the current is a flow, the Na plus and Cl minus ion, which is present in a fused or molten NaCl, this Na plus ion migrated or attracted toward the cathode, and Cl minus ion, which is attracted toward the anode. Okay. Now oxidation half reaction at a anode. At anode, the Cl minus ion, release or lost its electron and converted or oxidized into chlorine gas, that is twice Cl minus liquid gives Cl2 gas and release 2 electron. This is the oxidation half reaction. This is the oxidation process. Loss of electron is called as oxidation. Okay. Now at anode, oxidation half reaction occur. This oxidation half reaction is this Cl minus ion. This Cl minus ion lose or release its electron and oxidize into chlorine gas. Okay. Now second, reduction, half reaction at a cathode. At cathode, the Na plus ion accept the electron from cathode, and reduce into metallic sodium, for example, or that is Na plus accept the electron from cathode, and reduce into or converted into metallic sodium. And this is the reduction half reaction. Okay. Now at cathode, the reduction half reaction occur. Okay, now at the cathode, the Na plus ion accept the electron from cathode, and reduce into metallic sodium. This is the reduction half reaction which is occur at the cathode. Okay, now net cell reaction, net or overall cell reaction. Net cell reaction or overall cell reaction. Okay, now twice Na plus 2 electron gives twice Na. This is the reduction half reaction. Okay, now this is a reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction, that is twice Cl minus gives Cl2 gas, that is release 2 electron. This is the oxidation half reaction. The overall cell reaction or net cell reaction is the electron get cancel, that is twice Na plus twice Cl minus gives twice Na plus Cl2 gas. This is the net cell reaction. Okay, now this is the working of electrolysis of molten or fused NaCl. Okay, now observation, third point, observation. First observation. Okay, now pale green chlorine gas is liberated at the anode. This is the chlorine gas, Cl2 gas. Pale green chlorine gas is liberated at the anode. And second observation, the metallic sodium or fused sodium is formed at the cathode. Okay, this is the observation of electrolysis of molten or fused NaCl. Okay, the next point is the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. The electrolysis of aqueous NaCl is carried out in a same cell which is used for the electrolysis of fused or molten NaCl. The electrolysis of aqueous NaCl is carried out in a same cell which is used for the electrolysis of molten or fused NaCl. Okay, now working during the electrolysis of aqueous or electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Okay, now first oxidation half reaction at anode. Oxidation half reaction at anode. At anode, the Cl minus ion release its electron and converted or oxidized into chlorine gas, that is twice Cl minus aqueous oxidized into chlorine gas, release electron. At that time, the another oxidation reaction which is occur at the anode is twice H2O liquid oxidized into oxygen gas plus 4H plus ion aqueous, release 4 electron. These are the oxidation half reaction. Okay, at anode, the Cl minus ion lose its electron, release its electron and oxidize into chlorine gas. At that same time, another oxidation reaction which occur at anode is the twice H2, that is water, oxidized into oxygen, gives 4H plus, release 4 electron, that is oxidation half reaction. These are the two oxidation half reaction which occur at the anode. Okay. Now second, reduction half reaction. Half reaction at a cathode. Reduction half reaction at the cathode. Okay. Now at the cathode, the Na plus ion accept the electron from cathode and reduce into metallic sodium. That is, Na plus aqueous accept the electron and reduce into metallic sodium. Reduce into metallic sodium. At that time, the another reduction reaction occur at the cathode, that is twice H2O accept the electron and reduce into hydrogen gas plus twice OH minus aqueous. These are the reduction half reaction. Okay. At cathode, the sodium, that is Na plus ion accept the electron and reduce into metallic sodium. At that time, the another reduction reaction occur at the cathode, that is twice H2O accept the electron and reduced into H2 gas, that is hydrogen gas, and gives twice OH minus ion. These are the two reduction half reaction which occur at the cathode during the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Okay. Now net or overall cell reaction. Net cell reaction or overall cell reaction. The net cell reaction or overall cell reaction is the sum of oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. That is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. This is the sum of oxidation and reduction half reaction, which is called as net cell reaction. Okay. Now twice Cl minus aqueous gives chlorine gas plus twice electron. This is the oxidation half reaction, and the reduction half reaction is the twice H2O liquid plus 2 electron gives H2 gas plus twice OH minus aqueous. This is the reduction half reaction. The sum of oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction is called as net cell reaction. Okay. Now after that, the 2 electron and 2 electron get cancelled and gives the net cell reaction, that is twice Cl minus aqueous plus twice H2O liquid gives Cl2 gas plus H2 gas plus twice OH minus aqueous. This is the net cell reaction occur during the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Okay. Now next observation. The hydrogen gas H2 gas is liberated at the cathode, and second observation is the chlorine gas is released or liberated at the anode. First observation is the hydrogen gas is released or liberated at the cathode and chlorine gas is released at the anode. Okay.